Good morning, children. Let us resume exercise 7.2. That is question number 4 up to question number 3 we have completed. Question number 4, in triangle ABC. Let us go through the question. In triangle ABC, angle A equal to 30 degree, angle B equal to 40 degree, and angle C equal to 110 degree. Clear? In triangle PQR, angle P equal to 30 degree, angle Q equal to 40 degree, and angle R equal to 110 degree. A student says that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR by AAA congruence criterion. Is he justified? Why or why not? Clear? Let us start. See, in triangle ABC and triangle, start writing answer. In triangle A, angle A equal to, here we know that here we, children, you know that there is no AAA congruence rule. We know that if all the three angles all three angles of one triangle are equal to the corresponding three angles of another triangle, then the triangles are not necessarily congruent. Okay, means, children, this I want to say that if in two triangles where all the three angles of one triangle are equal to the corresponding three angles of another triangle, where then the triangles are not necessarily congruent, children. Okay, now for example, let us take two triangles. Let it be triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Example, let us take two triangles, triangle ABC, that is triangle ABC and triangle PQR. ABC and triangle PQR, let it be 40 degree, 30 degree. This is 40 degree, this is 30 degree, and this is 110 degree. Another triangle another triangle, let us take the bigger triangle we take, clear, with the same angles, clear, that is, this is 40 degree, this is 110 degree, clear, this is 30 degree. Let this triangle be PQR, that is, okay, this triangle be PQR. Okay, children, here what and this side, let us take the different side, that is angle, this here, what angle here, angle A equal to angle P equal to 30 degree, angle B equal to angle Q equal to 40 degree, angle C equal to angle R equal to what? Equal to 110 degree. But BC, here let us take BC equal to 3 centimeter. Here BC equal to 8 centimeter. Clear? Here see BC, here you take you can take AC equal to, but BC equal to 3 centimeter. Clear? And QR equal to 8 centimeter. Clear? In such case, this implies that triangle ABC, also one more thing, but BC equal to 3 centimeter and QR equal to 8 centimeter. AC equal to, let us take 5 centimeter, and PR equal to, let it be 7 centimeter. AC equal to what? AC equal to here you write down, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, clear, AC equal to 5 centimeter and this PR equal to 7 centimeter. Here see, all the three angles of one triangle are equal to the corresponding three angles of another triangle there, but their sides are not at all equal. Clear? This implies that here BC is not equal to QR, clear, and AC is not equal to PR. This implies that triangle ABC is not congruent. Is not congruent to triangle PQR. Okay, children. So this question number 4 is justified now. Now question number 5, what does it say? Question number 5 is, in the figure the two triangles are congruent. It is given that the two triangles are congruent. In the figure, two triangles are congruent in this way. Figures are given to be like this. Let it be ART. ART is there. Clear? Where this is marked like this, and this double, and this is this one. Two figure that is here also, that is they are given to be congruent. This is N, triple marking is there. Here this is there, this and this and this, like this, and O is there. Clear? Here what is given in the question number 5, we are talking about what is this. In the figure the two triangles are congruent, the corresponding parts are marked. We can write, clear, we can write triangle RAT. Here triangle RAT is congruent to which triangle? Triangle RAT is congruent to which triangle? That you have to find, children. Clear? So start solution. In triangle, write down, in triangle RAT, where is this RAT? In triangle RAT and triangle what? In triangle RAT and triangle, this is NO, and this is what? This is W. In triangle RAT and triangle WON what do we have, children? Let us see. That is SAS. We have AR equal to that is, children, AR equal to, here write down, see the figure, AR equal to what? This one, second and third, that is second. AR equal to what? This AR equal to OW. AR equal to OW. Okay, that is given. AR equal to OW. See the figure. Clear? What else is there? Angle A. Angle A equal to this one. Which one? Angle A equal to angle O. That is right. Angle A equal to angle O. And what else? AT equal to AT equal to what? AT equal to what, children? AT equal to this single one, ON. AT equal to ON AT equal to ON. Okay, that is correct. That they all are given. See the figure. Equality has been shown with the similar marking. This is given. Clear? then we can write down what can we write down? Then we can write down triangle A here. This implies that triangle RAT is congruent to triangle. Write in the same order. RAT, that is that is equal to WON. The triangle WON by which congruence criterion? See, SAS, by SAS rule. That is by SAS congruence. Okay children, so this also you have found out. That is your this answer is completed. Question number 5 is also completed. Now let us see question number 6. What is question number 6? Complete the congruence statement. Complete the congruence statement. Complete the congruence statement. Here one figure is given. Which one? One figure is given to be like this. This figure is given in the, that is BTC. Here it is the BT and C is there. Here A is there and one right angle is there. Clear? And this is equal to this one, and this side is equal to this one, and this angle is equal to this angle. Clear? What is given here? It is given triangle BCA. Triangle BCA is congruent to which triangle? Clear? We have to find that. Clear? Triangle BCA is congruent to which triangle? That we have to find, children. Let us see this one. Start solution, children. Here question number 6, that is in triangle write down in triangle BCA. In triangle BCA, see, in triangle BCA and triangle BTA, what do we have? Let us see. What do we have, children? We have BC equal to what? BC equal to BT. BC equal to BT, that is given. Clear? What else is there? Angle CBA, that is angle CBA, or you can write ABC is equal to CBA is equal to triangle angle TBA, that is angle TBA, that is also given in the question. Write down. Okay children, this angle and BA equal to, that is BA equal to BA equal to BA, that is common in both the triangles. BA equal to BA. This is a side angle side. Okay, this implies that triangle BCA is congruent to triangle BTA by which rule? SAS rule. By SAS rule. Okay children, so you have found out this question of congruence, that is question number 6 part 1. Clear? See this children, this triangle, this question can be done using RHS congruence also. This can be used. This both are right triangles. Clear? So their hypotenuse are equal. Hypotenuse are equal, and one side is also equal. That is, see, by RHS also you can do. By SAS also you can do. I tell you, SAS also you can do. By RHS also you can do. Clear? By SAS we have done. Clear? This can be done by R, right angle, hypotenuse and side. Clear? This question, clear, this can be solved. This can be solved using RHS and triple S congruence rule also. Congruence rules also. Okay, children. Now let us see the second part of the question that you can do. Clear. This first part we have told. Second part you do it yourself. Clear. Second is homework. Second part is homework, that is for you. Okay, children. Now let us see. Let us see another question, that is question number 7. Question number 7 is an activity actually. That is, let us see before that question number 10 we will take up. Question number 10. Here, question number 7, 8 and 9 we will take up after 10. Explain why. Explain why triangle ABC is congruent to triangle FED. Two triangles are given to be like this. Two triangles are given to be like this, children. Triangle ABC. These are the markings. This is 90 degree and this is double marking over here, and one more triangle is there, that is like this. This is also right angle triangle. Here this is triangle DEF. Okay, children. Here this is marking. Here this marking is there. Clear. Here you explain why triangle ABC is congruent to triangle FED. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle FED. Here this is right angle. Okay, children. Here let us start proof. Start, children. That is let us see why these two triangles. Here one important thing is there. Here we will use angle sum property of triangles. In triangle, let us write down, that is in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC and triangle FED. In triangle ABC and triangle FED, what do we have, children? Angle B equal to, see, look at the figure. Angle B equal to angle E. Angle B equal to angle E. Here 90 degree each. Okay, children. What else is there? This and what? Angle A equal to, that is angle A equal to angle F. Angle A equal to angle F, that is given in the question. Clear, children. In this situation, if you see here AAS, clear, AAS congruence criterion you don't know till now. Clear, this A and S is there. Clear, that you will study in class 9th. Clear, but here out of the existing congruence criterion that we have, the SAS, triple S, clear, and this ASA and RHS congruence rule. Clear, this question cannot be solved using. Clear, so angle B equal to angle E, angle A equal to angle F. Two angles of one triangle are equal to the corresponding two angles of another triangle. This implies that third angle will automatically be equal. Now this and therefore, here is that, therefore angle C equal to angle D will be there. If two angles of one triangle are equal to the corresponding two angles of another triangle, clear, then the third angle will be equal to the third angle of another triangle clear automatically by angle sum property. Here let us write the reason here. We will write the reason over here. Why reason we will write? What is the reason? If two corresponding angles, if two corresponding angles of two triangles, corresponding angles of two triangles are equal, if two corresponding angles of two triangles are equal, then their third corresponding angles are equal. Then there, actually I want to write this statement over here. What is the reason? Reason is, let the reason be written over here. If two corresponding angles of here angle C equal to angle D, here angle C equal to angle D, here angle C equal to angle D. Why, children? Angle C equal to angle D. Why? Because two corresponding angles of two triangles are equal, then the third corresponding angle will automatically be equal by angle sum property. Here you write, if two corresponding angles of two triangles are equal, then the third corresponding angle angles will also be equal by angle sum property, angle sum property, by angle sum property. Okay children, so this is by angle sum property. This implies that now we see that, now what do we see that, see the figure, this implies that triangle ABC, now this angle is also equal. So what is there? BC equal to BC equal to DE is given, BC equal to DE is also given. So why this is SAS, using SAS, the R you can use ASA also, that is sorry not SAS, that is ASA we can use now. Also see, that is also BC equal to DE, given. Okay, this implies that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABC is congruent to triangle FED, by which rule? Here, that is, this angle is equal to 90 degree BC equal to BC, that is angle side, and angle C equal to angle D, that is angle side angle, that is ASA, that is by ASA congruence, rule. Okay children, so this also you have proved. Which question we have proved, children? What? That is your this question number 10. Now this these two questions are this question number 7, 8 and 9. Here what about, let us see question number 8. Question number 8 is a critical situation where such triangles are not possible actually. What about question number 8? Let us see. Question number 8, draw a rough sketch of, what is draw a rough sketch of two triangles such that they have five pairs of congruent pairs parts, but still the triangles are not congruent. Draw a rough sketch of two triangles such that they have five pairs of congruent parts, but still the triangles are not congruent. Actually, this is the question. This is the matter of research. Actually, question number 8. Such triangles. Draw a rough sketch of two such triangles are. Here you write such triangles. TRIAN. Such triangles are not possible. Answer of this question is, write down, such triangles are not possible. That is, you can write down for question number 8, such triangles are not possible. Now one more question is left, that is now not one, that is question number 7 and 9 are left, clear, according to your textbook. In some textbook, clear, this different questions are there. Here 10 questions are there in this exercise, clear. In other book, clear, only 9 questions are there. Here this is if triangle question number 9, let us take, if triangle ABC and triangle PQR are to be congruent, name one additional pair of corresponding parts. What criterion did you use? Let us see this one. Which question number 9 we will take up. Question number 9, children, that is question number 9. What is, if triangle ABC and triangle, figure is given, triangle ABC, here it is like this, triangle ABC, here this is right angle triangle, and this is this one, and one more right angle triangle is there, that is like this. Here it is given what, this right angle equal to right angle, this is P, this is Q, and this is R, this is equal to this. Now equalities have been shown with the similar markings. What if triangle ABC and R to be congruent? It is given. What is given? Given that name one additional pair of, here what is given? Given that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. It is already given in the question. This is already given in the question. You have to find out, clear, and two things are also given. Now what is to prove? That is what proof, let us see. Proof of this question, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Clear, it is given. You have to find out the congruence criterion used, clear, and by what are the corresponding parts, clear. Here in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, what is there? Here angle B equal to, children, see, let us change the marker. Here in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, what is there? That is angle B equal to angle Q, that is 90 degree each. That is given in the question, clear. And what else is there? That is angle C equal to angle R, that is given in the question itself, clear. Now you have to what, name one additional part. What is to find? Here given, here to find what you have to find, name one additional pair of corresponding part. Name one additional pair. Name one additional pair of corresponding part. That is angle B equal to angle Q, angle C equal to angle R. Then what it means? What, BC equal to QR. Here C means side between. Here what corresponding part. What criterion did you use? Here if BC equal to QR, clear, that is what included side of both the triangles are equal, that is included side of between both the angles are equal, then the triangle will be what, then the triangle will be equal. Okay children, now see here you have to write down the things. If included angle of both the triangles, clear, included side of both the triangles are equal, clear, then these two triangles will be okay. Now let us write down here if BC equal to, here BC equal to what, name here, since here if BC equal to QR, BC equal to QR, clear, then why BC equal to QR, included angle of, included sides between two equal angles, between two equal angles of the two triangles are equal. Okay children, what is this? Included, this is what is this? Included angle of, included sides between two equal angles of the two triangles are equal, clear, then only, clear, BC equal to QR. Okay children, means you have to, here you have additional part you have to write this BC equal to QR only there. See what is the another method of finding the answer, or you can write down what is the another method of finding the answer. Here it is given that, how will you solve this? It is given that triangle ABC, or you can write down triangle ABC is congruent to triangle what, PQR, clear, by this is by ASA. Okay children, by ASA, let it be there, it is given by, they are congruent by ASA rule, so third additional part of CPCT that you have to find out. Then angle B equal to angle Q, that is 90 degree each given. Okay, angle C equal to angle R, that is again what, 90 degree, that is equal, that is given in the question, clear, and they are according to CPCT also. You can write down CPCT, clear, and third part is what, BC equal to QR by CPCT. What is CPCT? CPCT is what children? CPCT is nothing but corresponding parts of congruent triangles. What is CPCT? Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Actually see children, this question, your question number question number 9, you have to there is nothing prove like this, clear, you just have to write down the CPCT. It is already given that the triangles are congruent, clear. So this question I explain once again. It is question number 9. Question number 9 figure is there. It is given that triangle ABC, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle, which one? Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Okay children, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR, clear. It is given by S, that is ASA. by ASA rule. By ASA rule, children. By ASA rule. ASA rule. Clear? This implies that what? AB equal angle B equal to here. See the figure, angle B equal to angle Q. Angle B equal to angle Q, 90 degree each. That is CPCT. Clear? And angle C equal to what? Angle C equal to angle R. Angle C equal to angle R, that is given. Clear? That is, this is given over here. Clear? That is given, or CPCT also you can write. Third part will be what? That is BC. BC equal to QR. That is CPCT, and that is what? That is the additional part. That is the additional part that we are supposed to write down. Okay, children. So this is your answer, BC equal to QR. Okay, children. So this is now very long video today. Clear? We have made and you are supposed to solve the remaining question and solve other question also yourself. Clear? So children, that is all for today's class. Clear? We will meet in the next class next time. Okay.